Hello guys, welcome back. Arbab is here. In this video, you will learn the Judas swing with more conferences that can increase the win rate of Judas swing, and it also more confident you about your trade before you took this specific trade in this strategy. So let's get into the video. Okay, what you have to do, you have to first mark out the midnight. Okay, 12 p.m. 12 a.m. of New York. Make sure you have UTC -4 and till 8:30 okay a.m. and 11 a.m. Okay, so what we have to do in Judas swing, we will do whatever the price do, we don't care. Okay, after we reach to 8:30, what we have to do, we have to mark out the highest point of the from midnight to the 8:30 and the lowest point from midnight to 8:30. Okay, and after that we will wait for price take out the either high or low, and then we wait for a market structure shift with displacement with FVG, and we do a trade for 1 to 2 hour risk to reward, right? If sometime what happen, I will tell you. Sometime what happen, if market is going like this, okay, before 8:30, after 8:30 you mark out the high and low point, and till 11 if market did not go high and low of any of this area, then you don't trade on that day. Okay, so the more conferences where you find, I will tell you when I doing the back testing on this one. Okay, so I back tested a recent week. Okay, so market is now close, and from 7 July and 6 July I will give you this on Euro USDT, and other pair also is work, but you have to focus on Euro USDT. Every day it's happen, but we will do only on this. Okay, so I will replay the bar. Okay, so what I do, I mark out the midnight. Okay, so don't worry, this is my 12-hour format, not 24 hours. So okay, for me midnight, 8:30 a.m., 11 a.m. okay, we run the market. Okay, once we reach before 8:30, okay, I mark 8:25, 8:30. Once I reach 8:30, before 8:30, what I do, I mark the highest point from midnight. This is the highest point and the lowest point. Okay, so we wait to price take out either high or low of the day. Okay, if it's not take high or low of the day, we don't trade on that day. Okay, yeah, it's almost take out. Okay, because there is a narrow, there is chance. Yeah, it's take out almost. Yeah, okay, so once it's take out, just a moment, we will shift to 1 minute time frame and wait for a market structure shift with displacement. Okay, so here we have a valid swing structure, this one. Why we have valid swing structure, this one? Because the first candle and the third candle did not break the previous one. Okay, we have also this valid swing structure. Now we have these also valid string structure, and we got a huge displacement with FVG. Okay, we put a long position here, 1 to 2 hour. Okay, displacement lag, this one. Okay, and sorry, I put a wrong live one. If you miss a trade, don't worry. 1 to 2 hour. Okay, in this day you miss a trade, so don't worry about that one. So what is the confluences that can make me more confident about this trade? Okay, if I don't get in fair value gap, we can enter either here as well. But how? What is the confluences? Okay, after I finish the last setup, the last back test, okay, in the end I will show you instantly, don't worry. So we will jump to the next day. Okay, don't worry, I will show you for 1 week at least, no problem. Okay, okay, yeah, we have same high here and here is the low. Okay, so we will wait to price take out any of the high or low, and we take it from upside. We shift to the 1 minute time frame and wait for a market structure shift with displacement. Okay, sometime you don't need a displacement in some cases. Here we get a displacement, okay, because this is a valid swing point. Okay, and the third candle make a fair value gap and we put a short position with 1 to 2 hour. Okay, and we see we in a trade, we out from the trade, no problem. Okay, now I will give you a special sauce. You're thinking what you are doing. These 34 pip moves we cannot need to take from here or here, we can take from here. Okay, so I will tell you from here. Go to the 15-minute time frame, okay, or a 5-minute time frame, no worry. Okay, full week I will show you. Let's come the color come, yeah, this is 3rd July, this is the week start. Okay, okay, here is the 8:30. After 8:30 we will see a trade. Okay, write this is the 8:30 here. Okay, here is the price take out this area, right, and price from here to move downside. Okay, so from here we go to the back side. Before it's after take out these high, we go back side and we find a order block like here. Okay, this order block. Understood? First, go to the second day. Here is the bank off, so bank holidays, that's why there is no volatility. Now we go to here 8:30, but here price did not take any high and low of the day, so we don't trade here as well. Okay, but if you go for order block, you will find sure something like this. See, here is the order block. And then after order block, I will tell you one thing more. You can see a market structure shift with displacement in 5 minutes as well and a fair value gap, and you can enter a trade as well. Sauce. Okay, now here, okay, Judas swing. Okay, market take out the bottom as well, here as well, but as you see we have engulfing order block and we can enter after 1 minute change of character. Okay, maybe we not need a displacement in some cases. Add this with your trading strategy ICT, you will find a huge result. Okay, here he take out the high of the Asia. Why it's turned down? We go back side and we see we have a these order block week. See, if you go to a short time frame, 1 minute, 3 minute, you will find here a order block, and here you will just go to the 1 minute time frame and you see some like any break of structure like here, and you can enter with your calculation and you can run a trade. Understood? there is many strategies, many confluences, you can do it. Okay, not always every day you hit a profit, not always every day you do profits on any ICT strategy. Okay, some people use a displacement in ICT Judas swing. Some people did not use displacement, they only trade with only like this breakup structure. Okay, even a small wick they can consider, but I do only with most confirmations and most confluences. Okay, so if you learned something in this video, like the video, subscribe the channel, join my Telegram channel where I post every ICT trade every day, and also show my profits, and also give the trade signals with my strategy, not by ICT, not by smart money, not by price action, my strategy, and very accurate touch and go signal like this. Okay, just come to the my zone and fly for 100 pips, 50 pips, 30 pips. Okay, like this in the news events as well, open the market and everything like this. Okay, so you can join, it's a free of cost. Best of luck.